Well, speaking of shooting incident, there has been a shocking shooting incident that has been reported from Gurugram. A father shot dead his own child. 25-year-old former state-level tennis player Radhika Yadav was allegedly shot dead in cold blood by her own father. And this horrific shooting incident unfolded at the family's residence in Sushant Log in Gurugram in Sector 57. Authorities say that Radhika was rushed to the hospital, but she succumbed to injuries. Her father, Deepak Yadav, who fired multiple shots at Radhika from a close range using a licensed revolver, which the police say they have recovered from the house. Initial reports suggest that the two of them had a disagreement, with Deepak objecting to his daughter running her own tennis academy. Now, he's been arrested. Forensic teams that have examined the residence and Radhika's post-mortem that has also been completed. Police are now investigating the motive and the reconstruction of the timeline of the events. Now, in the shocking crime that has now been reported, we have been getting you the chilling details. The father telling the police that he was upset because he was continuously being taunted by neighbors and the villagers as well, who were questioning his daughter's character, and that exactly drove him to pull the trigger to take the extreme step. Now, this has been the disturbing motive behind the murder, out now as far as when it comes to the father himself. According to the police report in the FIR, seems to have confessed that his pride and his dignity was hurt when people questioned his daughter's character. Now, Radhika's mother, Manju, has also come out to say that she doesn't know what happened and she doesn't know why her husband killed their daughter. As far as when it comes to their daughter's character was good, but what is being said that all of them were said to be present in the house when the firing incident had happened. There was a disagreement of sorts that have happened, but there are more details that are now coming in of the FIR that has been registered as far as the alleged confession of what is now being said by the father, where he's admitted that he shot dead his own daughter. Now, there has been another update that has now come across. What is now being said that the police are probing the victim's deleted account. There has been certain mystery over the victim's social media account, and questions are now being raised that why was the account deleted before the death. The account seems to be deleted just moments before the death, as the police has been investigating the digital trail in the case, and the mystery is over the social media wipeout. Now, there have been certain questions with regards to the objection that the father may have had against his daughter, whether was her presence on social media that irked him. However, the Haryana police is probing the possible reasons behind the victim's social media account being deleted just few moments before her death. Priyank, what are the real reasons that we are looking at? Was the father upset, when it comes to the daughter's social media presence, doing certain reels, etc., or was he upset because, she was earning and she was running the house?
See, Amita, we have the initial statement of the father where he has confessed to the police that he was not happy with his daughter earning well than him, and people were taunting at him. But there is more to it what has been said by the accused, because Deepak Yadav, who could kill his daughter, having this kind of primitive mindset that the daughter was working more than him, is certainly something which is not digestible for the police officials also, because he could have been the one who could have encouraged his daughter to go and play lawn tennis. Now there have been multiple theories which is coming out, where the police officials are probing that what could have been the possible reason because of which her Instagram account was deleted. There have been series of videos also which we have managed to access, where Radhika is featured as the female, lead in these videos, the music videos, where a person named Inamul is also seen along with her. Officials are trying to get in touch with her friend Inamul, who was also seen in the video, and most of the people who were associated with this music video which was released a year back. So that is certainly something which is one of the angle which is being probed by Haryana police, by the Gurgaon police. But the father's further questioning can reveal more detail regarding another possible motive which could be behind this brutal killing which happened inside a high-profile residential area here in Gurgaon. What police officials are saying that in a short while from now they will be producing the accused before the court, and then they will try to take his police remand so that further investigation detail can come out. But Radhika's presence on social media platform and in the music video is certainly something which is under the investigation of the Gurgaon police.
All right, this is all part of the ongoing investigation as something seems amiss on part of what the father apparently has confessed. In the FIR, according to the police, where he's been saying that he was subjected to continuous taunts by people and neighbors there because his daughter was earning well and was running the house. But there seems to be certain objections as well, what is being said on his daughter's social media presence, which hurt the father, which irked the father, and it led to such kind of an argument that he pulled the trigger, he took the extreme step of shooting dead his own daughter. The mother was also said to be present in the house when the incident happened. The uncle reportedly took the victim there to the hospital, but she was proclaimed dead. She succumbed to injuries. Now, on part of the investigation that has been taking place, the father is now in the police custody. However, the Haryana police is also probing multiple reasons that could be behind the victim's killing there, as this incident has said shockwaves across the country with the father killing his own daughter. Now, possibly, was it because of the victim's social media account that was deleted? That is the question that is also being raised just before her death. Was it a part of the argument that the two of them were having? But this is a development that we are getting to know from Gurugram, and the mother of the victim, a former state level tennis player, is also concerned. That adds up, Priyank. The mother says, I don't know what happened. I don't know why my husband killed my daughter. That also raises certain questions.
Yes, but we have to remember that is the initial part of her statement, which has been given to one of the relatives, the uncle of the deceased, Radhika, who informed this information to the police, and which is also pointed out in the FIR copy which has been filed by the Haryana police. Now, in the due course of time, the police official will have to question Radhika's mother, because the body is yet to be taken out from the mortuary. In fact, it was taken yesterday, and the family, other family members are certainly in a state of shock. So in this kind of scenario, the police official don't push the family members too much to come out and give their statement immediately before the cremation can happen. So these are the kind of steps which will be taken by the police. But as you said, Amita, the mother has rightly stated that she does not feel that her daughter had a bad character. This is what the father had claimed it before the police, that this is what people have been talking to her, to him, I beg your pardon. And now the police official will have to get further detail regarding that what could have been the possible motive. But looking at the prima facie angle, the reels which were there on social media platform, her social media account being deleted, and her featuring into multiple videos, music video, that too in Gurgaon, is certainly something which can throw some more light regarding the another possible reason behind this killing, where the father, 49-year-old father, killed his 25-year-old daughter inside his house. Multiple rounds were fired, 3 shots were fired from his service revolver, which led to the death of the tennis player.
So keep us updated on the police investigation, because right now this is all preliminary investigation, and what is now coming across as the possible motive that her father killed his own daughter in cold blood at their own residence. Priyank, for the moment, thank you very much.